Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com. This video I'm making is about Bitcoin again. I made a video I think yesterday, right? Or day before yesterday. So let's go over with that. This is a Bitcoin weekly chart I showed you yesterday in my video, right? Expecting, was expecting that this thing is going to bounce from here. And the smaller time frame that I had on a daily, and then this is for the daily. I made the chart that's gonna go, up from here. It was around this area, and then the 4 hour chart when we were here at 78%. I said it's gonna go to the upside. And my 40-minute chart was the one that was the key. Let me show you that this 40-minute chart I had made and given it to my subscribers, a post on, the Forex Factory and then Telegram and all of that. This was the chart, and it's like wave one and ABC correction wave two around 78%. So I said this thing is gonna bounce and then go to the upside. Well, wave three is supposed to be in this area, but little by little, day by day, we go over there. So far so good, and this thing started to go. I recorded this a little while ago. So from here to here, it went nice and clean, bounce from here, and then again, giving giving me the entry, going to the upside from the shorter time frame, and the trade I had is this. This was the entry, but then SL got knocked out at break even, and then the second one here, boom, all the way 380. So this is what the Bitcoin is, and right now, current chart for a 40-minute chart is like this, right? So it may now, the bus has left the station, right? And it's in the middle of the way, and now maybe it will just drop a little bit, maybe into this area or into this area, and then continue to the upside like subwaves of wave three. It's like wave one, two, three, four, five. That would be wave one, then ABC correction, wave two, and then wave three, and then so on and so forth. Just like this one, it goes up there and then comes down, right? So wave three, maybe will do the same thing. So this thing, 70079 is the key number, and right now it is kind of like posting. Let me see, it's a smaller time frame. See that? This was my entry here, and then now nice big drop here. So let's see if it's continue coming into this area, 66 859, and if it gives me the signal that it's gonna go up again tonight, then I'll go again, go long. If not, then it may go all the way here as well. The possibility is there. All right. So let's see what happens. This is what the Bitcoin is. And the other chart that I want to discuss and show you, I made like yen index, right? Yen index is going very, very nice uh, in my favor. So this was a chart I made February 12th, that this is going to bounce from here after making a regular flat correction. And this chart turned out to be something like this a little while ago. I recorded. So it went, slowly every day is going up. And then I make, I even made yesterday, I showed you my trades, right? 4 or 5 yen pair, all long, long, long. And today, again, amazing trades from here. It started to go up. And then so far right now it is at 78%. So maybe after 78%, usually, sometimes it goes back to 38 or 23, or it may just continue to go to the upside. It depends, right? So I'll see if we can make a dip from here. If not, then if I see that tonight is gonna be like a continuation, then yeah, okay, I'll just go there. But the main thing was today, and that is done yesterday and today. And let me show you that just today, how many trades I had on the 25th. All yen pairs. Watch. Euro yen is like this is 150 pip here. USD yen 90 pip here. Pound yen 120 pip here. Aussie yen 115 pip here. It is just because of that one chart, that yen index chart. When yen index goes, I have written here. If you pay attention, then you see this. It says if it bounces from 75.31, all yen pairs will go up, and that's exactly what happened. All yen pairs since then going up, 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 up. Right. So far, so I was showing you. Yeah. So it's 115 from Aussie yen. Then pound yen again, from 7-minute chart, 70 pip. Actually, I closed way above this, but I recorded this one and then I forgot to record the other one. And then euro yen, again, this one went like maybe around 130, 40, something like that. But that I recorded this and then I went to sleep, so no problem. CAD yen here, see 65. So it's all yen pairs, so many, right? Again, Aussie yen, 100 pair. On all on 25 because of that move, the yen index did. And then finally, this is a Bitcoin. All right, so this is it for now. Yen index now, like I said, that the bus is gone from the station, so now we have to see that what happened. Remember that this forex market has two phases, and every day or every week you go through these phases. First is the retracement, and then second is the extension. Retracement means if you have a big move, then price retrace, right? Let's say if you have a uptrend, so price goes and make the higher high, then it retraces and make the higher low, right? Around 61%, 78%, just like this Bitcoin was doing it, right? So this is a move, this is a retracement. And after that, again, it's got to be move, retracement, just like coming down here, move, retracement, a little bit, right? So, yeah, so the retracement is the good one. After the retracement, because retracement is against the trend and extension is with the trend, so you want to be with the trend so that if your entry is the right one, then you can catch a big trade. It goes for extension, right? So what happened is that, for example, yesterday and today we left from after the retracement. For example, this one, this is a big move, this is a big move, retracement, and then again big move, retracement, and then again move, right? Similarly, if you look at the USD yen chart I made and then I posted on my Telegram, it was here. Let me see if I have it. I don't have it here open. Let me quickly and where is that? Very good, wonderful. USD yen chart, for example, you can see that it is exactly that, after this move, and then it came back down here as a retracement around this EMAs. That's a very powerful setup. And after that, it went exactly, I was pointing 56, 50, 75, and that's exactly where it is now. See that? Actually, I made the chart already. I just made it, man, and then I didn't even send it to anyone, and then it start dropping. See, that's what happened. Retracement, extension, now retracement, then extension. So, but this retracement is a little dangerous. This is I call second degree, right? Little risky. So after the retracement, going towards extension in the direction of the trend is always easy. And that's why I had very easy time yesterday, today, right? So very few SL hit, but most of them big trades. Okay, so I'm gonna make some new charts like this one I made. You can see it right now here, right? So another one that Aussie yen, all yen pair went up, and then they're gonna retrace. Aussie yen, see this around 127, see this extension. This is what I'm talking about. This was a retracement and then boom, 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 extension. Going to the upside, it also gave you, beautiful retracement and touching this EMAs and then boom, going towards. So somewhere here, maybe right from here, or may go up a little bit more. Weekly R2 is right there. 127 is right there. So maybe it's going to touch that and then drop. Right. Canadian did the same thing. I've had it like they're making a double bottom and then can go up to the upside, just like yen index, right? And it did. And if you pull the fifth from here to here, it is exactly at 78%. You can even put from all the way here, oops, all the way here, and then it's a little shy. So what's gonna happen? It's probably gonna go up a little bit, touch the 78%, and then drop to 38 or 23. So I'm gonna redo this chart as well. And USD yen, I just showed you. Euro yen, this is exactly what happened here. It was making it just like pound yen. Let me show you pound yen. If this was the chart, A, B, C, and I said it's gonna go up here. We would see where it is now. Right. So way away from the EMAs. Now time to come back to the EMAs. See this here? This is what happened. Away from the EMA, go back again against. Away from it, and then come back and touch it. Away and then come back and touch it. Now, game shifting the other side. So we were crisscrossing and then now away. Time to come back and touch the EMS, maybe into this area. Let's see what happens. If I get short, I will do short all these yen pairs tonight. But let's see what happens. What else? What else? What else? This is pound USD. I had that's gonna go to the upside with the yellow market. Oh, it is. I don't know. The chart gets messed up somehow. I can't find it. Anyway, so I was expecting that you see this 127 and then it's gonna bounce from here. And this is ABC wave two, and then we're gonna go up. USD gonna get weaker. Oh, by the way, let me show you the USD index. Very important. If it's gonna drop, then not all, it's not yen index. So then Euro USD and Pound USD is going to go up. See that? It's a beautiful touch of the TL, the daily chart. You can see here, daily chart is not, it's like this one here, right? So it's a pretty nice, decent candle yesterday, in fact, and then today actually, and now the new candle started. And if we stay below this area, then let me see here. Weekly chart. It's very confusing. The only best thing that I can see right now is like this one. So I see that this big drop here, Renko chart is the one that is giving me a very, very good charts. So a drop and then a retrace here. You can see here the retracement is around probably 78%. And yes, exactly 78%, right? And now it's coming down. I made the chart already. I saved it. So it is not slowly coming down. That means Euro USD and Pound USD is going to go up, and USD CAD and USD Yen is going to go down. USD Yen, you already saw the thing that started to come down right here. See that? Nicely coming down because of USD is getting weaker, and Yen probably going to retrace or pull back. Yen index probably gonna, we saw that the yen index is at 78%, right? So it may come down to maybe 38%, and that will send all yen pairs maybe a couple of hundred pips to the downside. So let's see what happens tonight. All right. So this is it for now, and I'll make new charts and I post on the Telegram for my subscribers. And if you have not subscribed or my subscriber, then if you want these charts and you want to learn how to trade like this, then you can go on my website and here creativetrading.com and subscribe and be a part of my group and start trading like this. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful next day of trading. How many days we have? Oh, it's a couple of more days, right? So bye for now and talk to you guys later. Where the heck did the thing go? Oh, here.